Moyo from TikTok at People's Journal.
Reklamo. Anyway, since isa lang ang tanong, I'll ask one common question for everyone. Madalas ko rin itanong. Except siguro, of course, sasagot ka rin, Gab, and of course, Haya. Because you've been together, or we've been working together for a few projects na in the past. Ang tanong ko, your discoveries for each other, working with each other, considering this is your first time, lalo ni si Tasha at saka si Direk to work with everyone. So, let's start first with Gab.
Sa lahat po. Wait, kay Direk, yeah, I discovered na yung mga favorite horror movies ko, siya pala yung nag-direct. Larita, one of the scariest horror movies that I've seen, and he's, you know, we always talk about the character of Pat, kung ano yung pwede namin, you know, iba yung hindi i-copy-paste for the past Bad Genius, a movie and series, so we want to give him a different, you know, like, personality na pwede namin ipakita, and I really appreciate him because he told us na I want to see you guys after ng show na to maging character actor, parang hindi lang ito lang mabibigay niya. I want you guys to see like na meron pala kayong different na mabibigay as an actor, and I really appreciate him that when we were doing workshop. Kay Jai, wala ba? Sabi nga ni Trip, parang magkapatid na kasi kami nito eh. Halos araw-araw kami magkasama, teammate kami sa basketball, and you know, he's one of my closest friends sa showbiz, and he's as real as you can get, one of the most genuine person that I know. And kay Tash, super humble and down to earth. When I first met her dun sa workshop, sobrang bait. Alam mo, hindi mo mafe-feel na parang mulok siya, parang she's just, you know, just being a normal person. I really appreciate her. And of course, and I have been working together for this third project, and I'm really excited for her to, you know, to showcase Grace. Hindi naman po bagay na bagay sa kanya yung bagong gupit niya ngayon. And yeah, we're just excited to work on a new project because this is going to be a different challenge, and we're always up to a new challenge.
Hiya. Hi. I would say for Direk, I have the same thoughts as Gab. And also, I really appreciate na, I don't know, a lot of the films that I've seen in the past, I love that finding out that it was directed by you, they were so beautiful, and also I appreciate how hands-on you are with everything. It really feels like such, I know that I can trust you and your vision, and it's helped us all build like a team together to work on this project, so I really appreciate that. And with Kuya, sorry, nasanay ako from Sitaw. Pero what can I say? Wait, what did we find out? I'm not sure how to answer that with everyone. I've been working with you since SSA, and I just love that, you know, he's always super helpful with me and super genuine then. Everyone's so genuine, but I appreciate that, and I'm excited to work with you again on this project too. And then with Natasha, oh girl, I have so much love for you already. Like, she's so cool, she is very down to earth, and I appreciate how much she's been there for me, even though we've only, you know, started working together, and I feel like we've connected in some way. So, yeah, and then with Gab, of course, you didn't get a new haircut, so I can't say anything about that. But, I'm really looking forward to working on this project with you, and I also know that you're gonna kill it. And he's super hardworking, he's very motivated, so I'm already proud of you. And yeah, there you go.
Ash?
Yung discovery ko po, copy and paste sa lahat, sabi nila. Pero to summarize it, working with this group of actors, with Gab, Haya, Ty, and Direct, of course, pero mamaya yung Direct, sila muna. Working with them three has been such a great experience because ito ba yung first project, and of course, I'm coming into it very nervous and wanting to learn. And they have been nothing but so kind. They made me feel so welcomed, and it kind of feels like parang I've been working with them already. It was that sense of family, and they're such grounded, humble artists, and I'm so excited for you, all of you guys, to see what they're gonna provide in this project. Pero as for Direct, yung discovery ko kay Direct, grabe, sobrang masipag. I see the work that he puts in, his attention to detail, and he really makes sure to guide all of us and make sure that we're ready the day of shooting, which is gonna be next week. Thank you, Direct. Thank you so much, talaga, for always making sure that we can rely on you and just lean on you. Thank you.
Yeah, kay Gab, Discovery. Siyempre tagal na rin ang kasama ni Gab. Like, before the series, magkasama na kami with the basketball game. So, no new discovery, siguro meron is that, hindi lang ako, lahat tayo discover yung different side of Gab this time. No? We're doing Chasing in the Wild, doing other projects, and this time, a different Gab siguro, papanood natin dito. Also with Haya, this is her third project. No? Makikita natin yung differences from Sitaw and then yung ginawa nila. And so far, wala naman new discoveries with the both of them kasi like, we're still doing Avenues of the Diamonds ngayon, which is yung book 4 ng University Series. So, magkakasama naman kami. With Tash, sobrang nagulat ako na she's really down to earth, she's really humble, and sobrang grabe siya mag-work hard. She's really into this series. She works everything sa character niya. Like, sa workshop may sinabi, susunod na araw, na-apply niya na. So, grabe, sobrang hands down ako kay Tash doon. She really loves what she's doing. And syempre kay Direct, same with Gab. Isa sa mga recent na napanood ko na horror was yung Palyari. I didn't know na siya pala yung gumawa na. It was really nice. And excited ako kasi si Direct very collaborative. Very detailed siya. So ano gusto niyang mangyari sa characters. And sobrang grateful ako for that dahil at least alam ko kung saan ako papunta. Alam ko kung ano yung mga dapat at hindi ko dapat gawin. And excited ako kasi syempre hindi to horror. So excited ako kung ano yung magiging outcome ng collaboration namin lahat. And especially working with them.
Direct?
Well, ako sobrang excited ako to work with them. Kasi tayo dito, kapag magkakasama kasi kami, naging kulitan eh. Naging masaya sila kasama. I mean, of course, di ba, nawawala yung walls mo na dito as a director, them as an actor. Everything becomes collaborative, which is so important for me kasi sabi ko nga, at the end of the day, sila yung makikita, hindi ako eh, di ba? I will guide them through kung saan sila dapat pumunta or saan dapat papunta yung book material. Pero basically, it was them who will needs to work hard para marating yun. And I'm so grateful na sila yung for the second series that I will do and for a big franchise na tulad dito ng Bad Genius that I was given an opportunity to work with these actors. I mean, si Tash, mukha lang po yung pero pilya yan. Same. Si Haya yan, tatahimik sila dalawa. Itong dalawang lalaki na to, I mean, during, especially kahit backstage or kahit saan, kung magkulitan, kala mo minsan parang, hinihintay ko lang talagang magsuntukan itong dalawang na magkulitan eh. Sobrang pilya sa isa't isa. But, yun yung natutuwa akong makita sila kasi alam mo lang na dito, nag-gel na sila as a group and alam mo lang na malaki yung maitutulong nun kung paano nila dadalhin yung material. Yun. And at the same time, kapag nagdi-discuss kami, natutuwa ko na parang how they really want to give a different personality to each character. I don't want to say just to learn, kasi parang kapag yun sa bagay na kasi alam kong inaaral nila eh. Mayroon ako nakikitang naka-notepad, may mga sticky notes. Yung iba, alam mo lang na talagang they really want to learn and to study their material and their character as well. And ako naniwala ko that they will give justice to each character na na-assign sa kanila.
may sisingit lang ako, Pierce, no? Direct, totally, this is a total turnaround sa pinanggalingan mong genre, which is horror. Anong kaibahan? And then the adjustment that you had to make. And then, of course, Tasha, are you open to love teams? Thank you.
Hindi po bang horror to? So, akala ko horror to. Parang mali yata. Yung pinisya kay horror to, di ba? Hindi po, for one thing po, well, for me, it's one of the challenges for it. I mean, as a director, I always want to prove myself and I want to challenge myself na hindi lang ito yung material na kaya kong gawin. I think that's also one of the, parang yun naman ang goal ng bawat director. So, to be given a chance to direct a material like this, a Bad Genius, and then ibang-iba siya, I mean, nakaka-excite, when sobra na parang, okay, ano ba yung pwede kong gawin? And then to the point na parang you study each version of the series, and then ano ba yung pwede mong baguhin? And then you study also the personality, not just of the character, but the actors as well. Kasi, syempre, kung ano sila as a person, doon ako huhugot sa kanila for them to become dun sa mga character na gagampanan nila. And for me, yun yung mga exciting part for this. And I remember that we have a lot of discussions on how we're going to change yung buong series of what the other franchise already offer. Yung other versions niya na parang, saan ba natin ito dadalhin? I mean, alam na natin lahat kung paano mangyayari yung heist from school hanggang sa naging national level. So parang, ano ba yung pwede pa natin baguhin? So yun yung mga bagay na parang dinagdag namin sa material. Parang the relationship of Haika, for example, ni Pat at ni Ayase, yung kung dito, anong level na ba sila from this series na ginawa nila before, okay, baka pwede natin iangat sa ganitong klase na ng relationship meron sila, yung mga ganong bagay. And then also for Tash, kasi for Tash, ang hirap ng character ni Lynn. I don't remember, parang, di ba may discussion tayo na parang the first time that we discussed is parang pinag-uusapan natin kung paano yung pwedeng gawin sa character. And then one thing that I really love for Atasha noong time na yun, she was open. Parang naalala ko pati buhok, pinag-usapan namin na parang bagoy yung buhok mo, yung pwede bang ganito, ano bang pwede mong damit, lahat. Pati makeup niya, pati tingin niya, yun yung mga ganang bagay. If you remember kanina, ito, yung piniplay namin ngayon, the look test. Dito, kasi inaral namin, sige, paano pwedeng baguhin yung tsura dito ni Tasha? Or paano ba yung tsura dito ni Gab? Mga ganun. Ito po, wala po ito sa likusa lang to. But anyway, so yun, inaral talaga namin. And then even the staff, the costume design, the production design, each color and each palette that we used, we made sure that there's a meaning about it. We're not just gonna show you a visual na parang, ito yung nakikita namin. No, we have each color and design na parang unique for each character. Para hindi nyo man ma-verbalize ng viewers kung ano yun, mararamdaman nila kung ano yung gusto namin iparating.
Para sa akin, patungkol sa love team, I mean, I just want to act. So, totoo lang. I just want to work, and if the opportunity comes in, why not? Because my rule in life, and I always say this, is I don't want to close my doors with anything. At least I get to say that I tried and I gave it my best.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Tita Aster. Good questions. Okay, batch 2 coming up. And I did mention we do have a long list of press, no? So, gentle reminder, please do only ask one question lang. I'm sure you'll have time for pocket interviews later. Maraming salamat po. Batch 2 consists of Anarina Amistoso, Robert Requintina, Dolly Ann Carvajal, Von Belinario, and finally, Erwin Ogawa. That's batch 2. Simulan po natin from Anarina TV, our content creator. Let's listen to Anarina Amistoso.
Hello po. Hello po. Congratulations. Kay Direct muna, Direct. Hindi ka ba na-intimidate na i-direct si Atasha? Kasi syempre, coming from mula. Hindi ka ba kunyari, hindi pa kayo nag-start mag-shooting, di ba? No? Ay, hindi pa, di ba? So, pero Na-imagine nyo na po ba na pwede nyo siyang sigawan or something like that?
Eto, trivia. Hindi to alam ni Tash. Nagkakilala kami ni Tash. I think she was 7 or 8 that time. Yeah. Because you were with your mom. And then, di ba ang director nito eh, there was this one part of my life that I want to work in real estate. And then, bago pa ang GC doon, wala pa naman. And then, bago pa lang ang One Makili Place building. Tapos, I was assigned there. And you were with your mom and Andres. So, nang kita kita nung bata ka pa, I never imagined in my life that one day I'm gonna work with her. And never. Hindi ko talaga, parang hindi siya sumagi sa utak ko. And nung time na, I think that was in a Zoom meeting, right? Nung ito na kaming beses nakita. Sobrang bubbly niya. Sobrang bubbly naman ng babae ito. Ang bubbly niya, sobrang ano niya. And nung akala nung muna ko, baka naman sa Zoom lang ganyan. Pero when I met her in person, she's very down to earth and ang bubbly. Tapos minsan parang, sabi ko, ang taas ng energy nito, bata ito, mas mataas pa sa akin. Yun ang gagawin namin! Yun, ganun siya kasi as a person. So parang nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa also kasi she's hunger for things to learn, kumbaga. Parang she really want to study her character. And at the same time, natuwa ako kasi hindi ko naramdaman. I met si Kuya Aga and this Ate Charlene during those meetings, and I never, nakita ko sa kanila as a family is that yung full support sila. Yun yung sobrang wow, grabe yung yung supporta. So that's one thing na I really love na parang nung nakita ko si Atasha. And then nung nakasama ko siya, parang okay, mag-judge kami nitong bata ko. Sobrang kalog eh. Yun, saka ang light kasama.
And for Atasha, the last question. Ano naman yung ginagawa mong adjustment para maging okay sila sa'yo? Kasi syempre for sure, at first medyo intimidated din sila kasi you're from the Mulang family. So ano naman yung sa end mo, yung ginagawa mo para maging warm sila sa'yo?
Adjustments that I did was, sa totoo lang, wala naman. Because my rule in life is, as long as you're yourself and you have good intentions, then you're okay. And that's what I did. I came into this with good intentions, wanting to learn, wanting to meet them, and of course excited to do this project. And here we are now, and we're actually like a family.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman from Manila Bulletin, we have Robert Requintina.
Hello, good afternoon. Hi, Tasha. One question lang. So how special is this project to you?
Para sa akin po, super special kasi ito po yung first ko na series. Tapos, to be given such an honor to do this and a big blessing. And this is something I've been wanting to do since I was a kid. And now that this dream is happening, I really don't want it to go to waste. I will give it my 100%. And I hope you guys like it.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Great attitude, Tash. Moving on to Philippine Star, we have Dolly Ann Carvajal.
My question is for Derek. Since this movie is about cheating, don't you think it will send the wrong signal? So what's the redeeming factor? Since it's about a controversial topic.
Yes po, actually it's one of the reasons why we really want to study this script well. Because we don't want to send a different signal or a wrong signal that saying that we were encouraging cheating. We made sure about the material that at the end, after the whole series, that the moral lesson is there at malinaw yun sa kanila. We have a lot of revisions of the material na kung paano namin gagawin yun. Because we just want to show the cheating na hindi lang siya kumbaga apektado, not just you, but the people around you and your family as well and your loved ones as well. So parang ginanda namin yung buong series para at least malino yung mensahe, hindi ma-lost in translation na parang, uy, wait lang, inaano nila, okay lang ang cheating.
Cheating not just in school, but also in other aspects.
Of course, di ba? Especially, yun, yung
If it's okay, can I ask the 4 lead stars, no? Para sa inyo, what's more important, to be intelligent or street smart? Kasi may mga iba matalino sa school pero walang diskarte sa buhay. So, would you rather be street smart and intelligent?
Alright, great question. Simulan natin kay Jai.
Hirap ng tanong kasi syempre...
Walang in-between, Miss Dolly. Dapat...
Ay, ganon. Dapat kasi, importante rin talaga yung maging intelligent ka. But at the same time, street smart. Kasi sometimes being street smart, doon mo makukuha yung mga diskarte mo sa buhay, di ba? So, I think, for me,
Street smart ka ba or matalino ka?
Ako kasi pagka kind of street smart ako, mas gusto ko yung mas diskarte kasi being here for 20 years, diskarte minsan ang kailangan mo sa industriya natin kung paano ka magiging maayos sa pag-arte mo, sa lahat ng magiging proyekto mo, hindi ba? So, I guess sometimes, sige, let's give it a different way, parang street smart naman. Para, di ba, maging liquid lang tayo sa lahat ng mga pangyayari sa buhay.
Para sa akin po, siguro po street smart din kasi you actually get to learn trial and error. That's how the real world actually works. Once you get out there, once you're coming of age and you explore, meet new people, you learn things along the way.
Haya?
For me po, same thing. There's so much importance to both, but I would say more on street smart. I feel like I don't need to explain it even further kasi same po yung answer ko. Pero just also based on like personal experiences and a lot of what I've seen in life, I feel like street smart can take you a long way.
You did what? Street smart. Copy, please.
Thank you and good luck.
Okay, very interesting.